Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a quick, easy chili and it's going to taste amazing. These are the ingredients. Let's go. So let's start off with a pepper. You need 1. You need onion, 2. A little bit of fresh thyme. Kidney beans, not sponsored from anywhere you can get them from. Butcher's mince, very important. Full of fat, beautiful, tastes amazing. We've got some cheese. I'm using plant-based. It's really nice. We've got some Marks & Spencer stock, the best stock ever. It's really got some good beef flavour. Chili powder, garlic, rosemary, smoked paprika, and this pasta sauce is brilliant. Spaghetti bolognese sauce is amazing. So we're going to heat the pan up and then we've chopped the onion and we've sort of done it roughly diced, which is good. Not too fine, not too big, just the right size. I'm going to sweat that off. Garlic granules. Just going to have a sprinkle of that. Red pepper, or green or yellow. Butcher's mince, we're going to put in. Just crumble it up, and then we're going to seal that off. Rosemary, a little bit. Chili powder. Sweet paprika. Just beef stock. Beans. We're going to add the kidney beans. We've rinsed them off. So we've got this lovely chili. So we've added the kidney beans, we've added the onions, we've added the peppers, we've added the chili powder, salt, garlic. It's going to be beautiful. Try this at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below on how you make your chili. Tomato sauce. We're going to cook this out. So we're going to finish it with some fresh thyme and mix that in. As you can see, it's tomatoey. It's got that lovely flavour and it's got a little bit of sweet paprika in, so it's going to take it to that next level, and that beef flavour is beautiful. This is the finished chili, so it's got a nice rice with the chili with a little bit of cheese on top. We've got some tortilla chips there at the side. It looks amazing. Try this at home. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hype. Thanks.